This video is for a tutorial for week 1 level 1. Let's start with opening GDB to get the disassembly first, and then copy all the instructions, and then just create a text file as a disassembly and open Tmux, split the screen, disassem on the right side and GDB on the left side. And then we will skip the first 3 lines as these are function prolog. And then let's analyze these first printf call. So this one is EAX, is load effective address, and then use this as an address. So code is something like this. And this is a move 0 to EBP minus 4. EBP minus 4 is a local variable and put 0 on it. EBP minus 8. So negative index over EBP is local variable, so green thing on the stack diagram. So please refer to the lecture slide. And then we will put ESP dereference with the 0 index. There's no index. And then that will be EAX, and that's 8048697. And then try to check what's in there. 0880488697. And what's the password? Yeah, same as the level 0. Yeah. Then it will call printf, this one. And the next call is about scanf. And this will put as ECX is 0x8048680. And then this is a load effective address of EBP minus 8. So this will be EDX will be address of EBP minus 8. The reason is here the instruction is move. It will move 0 to the address pointed by this one. So it will store 0 to the local variable. But this instruction is load effective address, so it will take the address of this one. So we need to interpret that as taking the address of the local variable and put that into EDX as a C pseudocode. And the next instruction is ESP0 will be ECX, that is 8048680. And then ESP1, so index 4 will be divided by 4 because it's an integer pointer, 32-bit on the 32-bit machine. So that will store EDX, which is address of EBP8. And then you can ignore this line because it's unoptimized code. And then it calls scanf. And to get that correctly, we will, this is 80, and then we will get the string of this one. To do that, like this. So %d is the first argument, ESP0, and then second argument is ampersand EBP8, the address of the local variable EBP minus 8. So it will get an integer from user input and then put that into EBP minus 8. And then the next instructions are compare instruction. So now it compares this value to EBP minus 8. So you can write it as if EBP minus 8 is, so now we encounter jump not equal, then 0x163E00. And the number starting with the 0x is a hexadecimal number, but scanf requires a %d decimal number. And how you can change this hexadecimal number into decimal number, then please use your friend Python here. Then if you just copy and paste that number, then it will return the integer number for that. So 1457664. Yeah. And can you guys recognize this number? This number is the full size of the HD of like a 3.5 inch diskette. I'm not sure like how many of you have used a diskette, but that's the exact byte size of the 3.5 inch small diskette. Okay. Get back to GDB, and now we know that the exact number, so we will change it to the decimal number to be human friendly. And then if we encounter jump not equal, compare this kind of thing, so we can create the if and else, right? And then it points to main plus 101, so we will copy 101 to the end. Sorry. Inside if clause, like this, and then others to be inside the else clause. Yeah. And then after having the else clause, it will jump to main plus 118. So starting from main plus 118 till the end will be the shared common part. So we will get them out. Yeah. And then these are function epilogues, so you don't need to analyze that. And inside the if condition, it does the same thing. Sum to printf, maybe the wrong password or something, right? So printf, this address, right, wrong password. And then here's a printf, this address. So this goes to EAX, and EAX goes to the first argument, that's why. And then this line is correct. And then next, it will call get a shell. Now I will get all the code starting from here to the end, and then paste it and try to remove all the unnecessary disassemblies. So we don't need these, but we need this kind of thing for the local variable definition. And then we have a first printf, and then we know these are all for scanf, right? And then these are for if condition and printf, if condition printf, and then get a shell. So the code is very simple, and it will ask what's the password, and it asks for the sum of the decimal number, and then if that number is 1457664, if that is not equal to that, then it will print out wrong password. Otherwise, it will say correct, and you can get a shell. So let's try. There's a no privilege yet. Run level 1, and then the password is this number. Run it, then you get the privilege, then get flag, and please don't forget to submit this flag to the scoring system. This is the end of the tutorial for level 1. Thank you.